Hi, I'm Marna, and it's actually day 2. We got so excited at the show, we forgot to do the intro and the outro, but a really cool thing happened. My sons and his wife are keeping my dog, and when I got back, he had bought me a doll. I'll show it to you later. We are officially on our way to the St. Louis Doll Show. Darren is driving. The back couldn't be any more tight. In fact, we left some stuff behind. Daisy's riding up front. We did not get her dolly seat done yet. On our way. Here we are coming into St. Louis. There's our arch. Oh, that car's in the way. Can you see it? Coming into St. Louis, Missouri. There is a line for the doll show. Here are the lovely ladies again getting in line. Jamie's always on top with oh gosh, so much fun. We sat around and talked for a few hours.
Yes. That's a Poppy Parker.
These are
they come
good
in a 12-inch, 16-inch, that's a 16-inch.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Wish you were here.